Hey guys, Paul from Unichip Australia here. I'm the bloke behind the camera most of the time. I thought I'd do an introduction to this one because it's pretty cool. We broke a world record, and I have footage from the start of this build all the way through the end. So does the guys at Workshop Wars, where this will be airing as an episode as well. But I thought, you know what, I'll snip it together. Why not? Snip it together and show you how we broke a world record. It's pretty cool. Check it out.
We're just starting the development on the turbo upgrades for the Kia. The best way we found to do it is just drop the engine out. The R&D will start from here and get some bigger turbos fabbed up on it, do some tests. We'll let you guys know how we end up. Slowly but surely.
Do you want to take me through and show me?
I'm getting there. Yeah, so obviously there's still a fair bit of fab work to go. I've still got all the water pipes to fabricate, plumb all the turbo water lines, oil drains, and I've got to change all the air intakes, the intercooler plumbing. So yeah, fair bit involved. It's not just as easy as slap on a couple of bigger turbos, unfortunately. There is a fair bit to do. So. But we're pushing through it and we'll get there. I'm sure it'll be worth it in the end.
Ready? Shush.
Okay.
Guys, bit of shush. And go.
Okay, so we decided to scrap the turbo upgrade idea and we're going to go for an LS. Should keep all the Kia haters happy out there.
Perfect. What are you looking at? What are you doing?
Okay, so we've got the extra injectors plumbed into the intake system, and we're controlling them with the Unichip. So basically, because we've run out of fuel with the standard direct injection injectors. So yeah, now we're just dialing in the mixtures and getting it right, and crank the boost up and see what she'll make.